Yo, it's Soul Brother 420 checking in. Right here up front, we got Cairo from B-Leaf standing pretty tall. There's a little auto right in front of it. The B-Leaf Cairo standing tall, looking nice. A little light on the color, but looking nice so far, so good. Right behind her, we got Chest of the Cheetah. I wanted to give you guys a check-in. These are new. They were in veg, but I did want to show you guys these. Right here, we got Permanent Chimera, which the nodes are as tight as possible, which is crazy. And right next to it, we got Chest of the Cheetah. As you can see, we had a bunch of regrowth going on in the area, but everything's bouncing back fire, getting everything a little bit more dialed in. Back there is Cobra Kai. Cobra Kai is looking fire. And then right on the side of her, we got the OD01 Kenobi. This was a clone gifted to me. And Cherry Garcia. This is the only ethos I have in here. This is a Cherry Garcia and two of supposedly next year's most sought after plant, Trico Jordan, right here standing good. Right next to the Dante I had to bring back. Dante's Inferno, Trico Jordan, Forbidden Gelato from Elevate, Super Fire. What else am I? I'm really excited about this Permanent Chimera. And try to get up in there. Permanent Chimera looking crazy. You seen it from the last post. It looks super different from this. But yeah, just want to show you guys where we're at with these. Had a lot of issues, so I have to take a little break from posting, but we're bouncing back. I want to say the issues might have been good issues, you know what I'm saying? Because these nodes are tight as fuck. Tight as fuck. But watch, I'm about to find out at the end. Everything's gonna backfire on me because I ain't got the right fucking environment for these girlies. But yeah, just checking in. Soul Brother 420. I wanted to show you guys the problems in the garden too. I always show you guys the good shit, but we got problems right now. We got good problems right now. Let's go.